Good morning, students. See this pattern. 2 square is equal to 1 square plus 3. And the 3 should be split into 1 plus 2. So 2 square we can write as 1 square plus 1 plus 2. Same like this one. 3 square is equal to 2 square plus 5. That's 5 is split into 2 plus 3. So 3 square we can write as 2 square plus 2 plus 3. Same like 4 square. 4 square we can write as 3 square plus 3 plus 4. Then can you write this 5 square? 5 square is equal to, next one is 4 square. 4 square plus 9 is equal to 4 square plus 9 we can split into 4 plus 5. So this is continuously increasing here also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 2 is added. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, like that. Like this, can you write 51 square? This pattern you should write down. 5 square is equal to 4 square plus 4 plus 5. 5 square is the previous number 4 square plus 4 plus the same number. Like that, 51 can you write this? 51 is equal to, the previous number is 50 square plus 50 plus 51. So you can write like this. 61 square you can write as 60 square plus 60 plus 61. So this is a common pattern. We can write like this. Without calculation we can write like this. You can find out the square of 51 square like this. This pattern we studied in the previous class, that is in 7th we studied this one. In squares and square roots we wrote this pattern like this. If we calculate the sum, 51 square is equal to 50 square means 5 square is 25. So 50 square is 2500 plus 50 plus 51. We will get 2601. So without calculation 51 square we can do this pattern like this. So 51 square is 50 square plus 50 plus 51. So 50 square is 2500, then 50 plus 51. So we will get the answer 2601. Same like we can find out the square of 61. 6 square is how much? 36. So 3600 plus 60 plus 61. The sum we are getting as 3721. So 50 square we got 2601 and 61 square you got 3721. So you can write in another method also. 51 square you can write as 51 into 51 into 51 we can write. This 51 we can write as 50 plus 1 into 50 plus 1. So 51 square is 51 into 51. 51 we can write as 50 plus 1 and 50 plus 1. If we multiply this 50 into 50 plus 50 into 1 plus 1 into 50, 1 into 1, this is 25. So 2500, 50 plus 50 plus 1. So if we add this one we will get the answer as 0, 1. So this way also we can find the answer as find the answer of 51 square. Either we can do this method to find the answer, or we can do this method. Without calculation we can do like this. Easy method to find out the square of numbers like this. See 61 square. This is 61 into 61. And 61 we can write as 60 plus 1 into 60 plus 1. Then 60 into 60 plus 60 into 1 plus 1 into 60 plus 1 into 1. 6 are 36, then 2 zeros, plus 60 plus 60 plus 1. So the answer we are getting is 3721. So the square of 61 you got like this, 3721. Algebraic form of this expression, it is x plus 1 into x plus 1. Then how will you multiply? X into x plus x into 1 plus 1 into x plus 1 into 1. So this is x into x, x square plus x plus 1 into x is x plus 1. Then x plus x, how we can write? X square plus 2x plus 1. So two way we can write as x plus 1 whole square as x square plus x plus 1. That you wrote the first pattern. Okay, that is this method. Then another method, x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1. Any two method we can use it. X plus 1 whole square is x square plus x plus 1. X, if we are taking the number as x, the same number and the next number. So x plus 1 is the next number. Or we can write x square plus 2x plus 1. Next is 75 square. 75 square we can write as 74 plus 1 whole square. But if we write this like this, we have to find out the square of 74. So 75 square is 74 plus 1. So if we write like this, we should find out the square of 74 square. But instead of that, we can write the equation like this: 75 square is equal to 70 plus 5 square. So instead of writing like this, we can write 70 plus 5 square. So you know the square of 7, square of 5. But here 74 square we cannot easily find out. So we can use this one, 70 plus 5 square. So 70 plus 5 we can write as 70 plus 5 into 70 plus 5. Then you can multiply it. 70 into 70 plus 70 into 5 plus 5 into 70 plus 5 into 5. So 7 7s are 49. Then 2 zeros. 7 5s are 35. 1 0. Here also 350 plus 25. All these we should add together. So you will get the answer 7400 plus 700 plus 2725. So you will get 5625. So without calculation we can got the answer as this. Then what about 103 square? I will write this one. This is 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 3. So we can write like this. Then so 100 into 100 plus 100 into 3 plus 3 into 100 plus 3 into 3. This is how much? 1 after 4 zeros plus 300 plus 300 plus 3 into 3, 9. So you are getting the answer as 10609. That is the sum of 103 square. 10609. So in general we can write like this: the square of sum of two positive numbers is the sum of the squares of two numbers and twice their product. So the square of sum of two positive numbers is the sum of squares of the two numbers and twice their product. See the next one, 10 half square. We can write this as 10 plus half whole square. 10 plus half whole square. So this we can write as 10 plus half into 10 plus half. Then we have to multiply it. 10 into 10 plus 10 into half plus half into 10 plus half into half, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is 100 plus 10, you can cancel it, 5 plus here also you will get 5 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So this is 110, we will get 110 plus 1 by 4. This we can write as 110 1 by 4. So split like this, then we have to multiply x into x, x into this one, half into 10, half into half. So you should add the sum and write the final answer. Next one, x plus y whole square. You can write this as x plus y into x plus y. Then x into x plus x into y plus y into x plus y into y. So you can write as x square plus this is xy plus y into x is xy itself plus y square. So it is x square plus xy plus xy, you can write as 2xy plus y square. So x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So take the square of first two numbers, x square then y square, then what do you have to do, 2 into x into y. So easily we can write like this using this. This is the first identity we are studying. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So first take the square, then write the next square, then 2 into x into y, 2 into x into y plus y square. So general form is x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. So this is for two positive numbers. See here in this square, this is the biggest part, x square plus y square plus xy plus xy, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy. So this is a square. The area of the square is x square. This is a rectangle. Here the breadth is y and length is x. So length into breadth. Length into breadth of a rectangle is xy. You can see this bigger square. We are splitting it into two small squares and two rectangles. What is the area of this square? X into x, that is x square. Then area of this square, y into y, it is y square. The area is y square. Here the area is x square. Here you are getting a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? X L into b. So x into y. Here x into y. So the total area of the square is equal to, we are splitting it into x square plus y square. Areas of two smaller squares. Then areas of two rectangles. So using this we can write this identity, x plus y whole square is equal to x square, that is the first step, plus y square plus 2 into xy plus xy, it is 2xy, x into y. So take the square of first, square of the second, then multiply the numbers with the 2 also, 2 into x into y. See here 75 square, we can write as 70 plus 5 whole square. So use this identity. First the square of the first number 70 square plus square of the second number plus, that is y square, then 2 into 70 into 5. So this should be 49 00 25, 7 into 5 35, 35 into 2 70, so 700. So we will get the answer as 5625. Next 10.2 whole square. This is 10 plus 0.2 into 10 plus 0.2. Okay, so then using the identity you can write x square, that is 10 square plus y square is 0.2 square plus 2 into 10 into 0.2. So it should be 100 plus 0.2 square is 0.4. Sorry, not 0.4, 0.04. 0.2 into 0.2, 2 decimals places should be there. So 0.04 plus 2 into 10, 20, 20 into 0.2. So how will you write this? 10 into 2 we can write as, we will get the answer as 4. 2 into 10, 20, 20 into 0.2 should be 40. Then 1 decimal, so we will get 4. See again, 10 square is 100 plus 0.2 into 0.2 plus 2 into 10 into 0.2. So 100 plus 2 into 2, 4. Then 2 decimals. So 0.04 plus 2 into 10, 20. 20 into 0.2. So 100 plus 0.04 plus 20 into 0.2 is 40. Then what decimal? So it should be 100 plus 0.04 plus 4. The answer we are getting is 104.04. So this is the answer. See one more, 51 square. It is 50 plus 1 whole square. This we can write as 50 plus 1 into 50 plus 1. Then using the identity, then square of 50 plus 1 in square of 1 plus 2 into 50 into 1. So 50 square is 2500. 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 50, 100. So the answer you are getting 2601. And do these 4 questions as homework. First one is 52, 105, 20 and half, 20.2. So 4 questions you do it as homework using the identity x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy.